Meet the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro 12.4, not just a tablet but your gateway to a whole new era of gaming. With cutting-edge technology and the power of HyperOS WinPlay, Windows gaming has arrived on mobile devices. HyperOS WinPlay transforms the Xiaomi Pad into a gaming powerhouse, enabling you to play Windows games offline. That's right, no cloud gaming, no constant internet connection, just you, your games, and uncompromising performance. With Steam compatibility, you can access a massive library of games. Imagine playing titles like Tomb Raider directly on a 12.4-inch display, all while experiencing just 2.9% GPU performance loss. It's not just impressive, it's revolutionary. WinPlay also supports Xbox controllers, offering a console-like experience on the go. Whether you're exploring new worlds or battling enemies, the Pad 6s Pro makes it seamless and exciting. Powering this innovation is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage. The 12.4-inch 3K display with a 144Hz refresh rate ensures every detail is crisp and every movement smooth. And with a 10,000 mAh battery and 120-watt fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just 35 minutes. Plus, Wi-Fi 7 and USB 3.2 make connectivity faster and more efficient than ever. Xiaomi is rewriting the rules of what tablets can do. Whether you're gaming, working, or simply unwinding, the Pad 6s Pro 12.4 delivers the performance and versatility you need. Welcome to the future of mobile gaming.